hello. Welcome everybody. Welcome to my channel, and my name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So today, as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about Insight Cosmetics. Now, I don't know how many of you are aware of this, but the first thing that I have ever tried in Insight Cosmetics was Insight Foundations, which is HD waterproof foundation. That is the first thing I've ever encountered myself with this brand, which is called Insight. But there are very few people, I'm sure the people who are watching the video, very few of you guys have actually been knowing about Insight Cosmetics. But there are few brands like Insight Cosmetics, Beauty People, Mion, Mars. I think Mars is pretty common, but Mion is there, Leon Beauty is there. There are a lot of makeup brands which were not even spoken about by a lot of YouTubers. So I think people are not knowing that much. So I just wanted to break the bubble that apart from the brands like Huda Beauty and then PAC and all the high-end brands, Milani and all of the other things, apart from that, there are a lot of such brands which are very affordable. But when I say affordable, their products are super amazing. Keeping in mind the price point and the quality, both are going hand in hand, and that's the reason I came up with this video about the Insight Cosmetics. And I hope this video will be a little helpful for all those people who are teenagers, who love affordable cosmetics without even cutting down on the quality. So that's the reason this video is really special to me. And if you're new to my channel, do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and do check out my previous videos, because that will give you a little glimpse of what my channel is all about. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. And before we get into the video, let me tell you, this is not a sponsored video. So these are the products that the first time I've tried from Insight Cosmetics, and I thought, why not to sit and review, because I have actually loved each and every product. Now I tried only two sections, which is foundation and liquid lipstick. So they are matte non-transfer liquid lipstick. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So the first thing I will talk about the packaging. Now let's appreciate the packaging. It is a complete cardboard packaging where they have not used any plastic. It is completely a product which completely have all the paperwork. Even the bills and everything was attached with the help of glue. So you can see this is the glue. So this is something which I got the packaging, and I really wanted to appreciate. It's a complete cardboard packaging, keeping in mind the minimalistic use of plastic, which is something which is I am up to it. So I have already opened this, so I don't know whether you are aware of not, but I have actually opened this. I'm just gonna take a pic of it. So yeah, so I've actually opened this, and let's see what all it has. The bill and everything will come in such packaging where you will be written Insight, and here also it is written Insight Makeup Cosmetics. So yeah, let's just quickly open this. And I have actually ordered 3 lipsticks and 1 mousse foundation. I know mousse foundations are really expensive. The first mousse foundation that I've tried is of Lakme's mousse foundation. I think that would be for like 300 some change. And those who wanted to know from where I got this top, this is a beautiful t-shirt, and I got this t-shirt from Easy Buy. Coming to the jeans, I will definitely be making a separate video about the Flipkart haul, because I kind of purchased some shredded jeans and at the same time track pants. So very soon I will come up with that video as well. So stay tuned. And to be very honest, there is a very big announcement. I am moving out of town today. So I am actually going to northern part of India, which is a little away from West Bengal. It's called Kalimpong. I am not sure how many of you guys know it. So all my next vlogs from here is going to be a travel vlog. I hope you will love it, because the last time I traveled was Dehradun and Mussoorie. I don't know how many of you guys have watched it, but if you haven't watched it, do take a moment to watch those vlogs. They are super amazing. So coming back to Inside Cosmetics, so I ordered the mousse foundation. Everything came in such a beautiful bubble wrap. So this is an amazing bubble wrap they have given, and also they have included some thermocol kind of things so that nothing gets damaged. So yes, definitely thumbs up for the packaging that they have given. I really appreciate it. The next thing, it is again a bubble pack, so I've opened it actually. So this is a beautiful Inside mousse foundation. I will give you a very close pic of it. So this is what it is. It's a beautiful mousse foundation. When I go inside of it, let me read what they claim. It is oil free, pore filler, SPF 15. So this foundation already have SPF, which is again a thumbs up. Best seller, 24 hours long lasting, flawless. To be honest, the foundation that I have applied right now is a mousse foundation. I just now came up from my office. I actually go, I am a part-time YouTuber, so I do have office. So I actually came from office, and trust me, it is lasting for a very long time. So I have been wearing this for around 10 hours. 9 hours is my shift time, and 1 hour is definitely the traveling part. So yes, definitely it is 24 hours I can assume, because I'm right now, after this video, I'm just gonna get up my pack up and I'm gonna go to airport. So I will not be doing any makeup henceforth. All the makeup that I have done is from all the products that I am gonna show you. So you have a barcode. This will give you the authenticity of the product, and there are lots of shades. By the way, I am in the shade 02 Ivory. The shade numbers is mentioned like this. So let's just quickly see how luxurious the mousse foundation actually looks like. To be honest, wow, this is what the packaging is. It is such an amazing mousse foundation packaging. It looks definitely luxurious. Yes, how to show you correctly. This is how amazing and luxurious the packaging is. I really appreciate the way it is being packed. It is very highly. The shade number 2 Soft Honey is also mentioned at this. And let me give you definitely the formulation. It's very easy to use. This is what it is. Soft Honey. Now it might look that it is a little dusky, but no. When you actually apply it, it kind of give you a very good coverage. Can you see how flawless the foundation was? It's complete mousse. It's a powdery foundation, and it is so super gliding. I wasted the product. Okay, so just flawless. I really love, and to be honest, let me come to the price point of it. When I come to the price point of it, it is just for rupees 250 rupees. I got it in discounted price of 239, which is again a steal deal, and that's the reason I thought why not to get my hands on this, because such a mousse foundation in such affordable price is something which I have never came across, and I would definitely recommend this. This is Inside Mousse Foundation, luxurious pack. Then quickly we will move to our favorite, which is liquid lipstick. I'm just gonna make this video a little shorter, so I was looking into the time. So I've got this 3 amazing liquid lipstick, out of which I'm already wearing one of them. So these are non-transfer Inside liquid lipstick. Just wow guys, just look at the packaging. I really love the packaging. So I was just playing pic of it because sorry. So let's open the first one. The first one, it is already mentioned, it is made in India guys. So this is not a product which is from China, PRC, Thailand, anything. This is an Indian brand. Those who don't know, Inside is an Indian brand. It is manufactured somewhere in Delhi. So they have their offices in Delhi or Gurgaon. Let me just quickly see. Yes, it has in this is in actually Bombay, which is Vasai. District is Palgad. I'm not sure, but this is something which is made in India. Let's quickly see what it claims. Matte texture, 24 hours, waterproof, true color, smudge proof. It is smudge proof, definitely. Let's just quickly see. I am taking the shade Charmed. So I'm in the shade number 24, which is Charmed, and I will give you the swatch of it. Let's first see how it actually looks like. It is such a travel friendly. It is really a travel friendly. Just wow. Written here, non-transfer liquid lipstick. Let's just have a swatch of it. Wow, this is what the lipstick is. Amazing. I have already applied the color, which I'm going to show you, but this is what it is. It is just wow, guys. I am again saying it is in the shade 24 Charmed. It is also written inside. The next which I'm wearing is Toffee Cream. So let's just see. I'm in the shade number 13, Toffee Cream. This is what the shade color is. This is just gorgeous. I'll just quickly swatch this. This is what the color is. The Toffee Cream. This is the one. The colors are super good, and to be very honest, I'll come a little closer. This is the shade that I am wearing. Amazing. The last shade which I have is Ferocious Pink, and let's quickly swatch this. Each of them retails for ₹75, guys. The original price is 81, but in a discounted I got it for 75 rupees, which is again super affordable. Ferocious Pink, they are super nudes. To be honest, they are not something which is, you know, very dark color. So this is Ferocious Pink. It is just wow. This shade number is 04. Now after it gets dry, it actually becomes transfer proof, so it stays. This I have applied 9 hours before, so still now this stays just then and there. So it is just wow, guys. I can't tell you how wow it is. So that's pretty much for today's video. I hope the video was a little helpful, because people have never spoken about Insight Cosmetics, and I really wanted to speak on this, and this video was super interesting for me. This is not a sponsored video. I have tried something new, and I thought why not to share with you guys. So that's pretty much for today. I will definitely see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Do take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the handles are in the description box. Please check that out. And bye for now, and stay tuned for the travel vlogs which is coming now. I will take a permission. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.